Christine Baumgartner is ordered to pay $14,000 sanction for refusing to explain why prenup with Kevin Costner should be voided as judge postpones hearing on legal fees. A Santa Barbara judge today ordered Christine Baumgartner to pay a $14,000 fine after siding with her separated husband Kevin Costner, who claimed she had not given him all the information about her request for spousal maintenance. In order to receive alimony, Baumgartner, 49, plans to have the prenuptial agreement's spousal support clause declared invalid at trial in November. She also asks Judge Thomas Andrell to grant her $855,000 to cover anticipated legal expenses. Judge Andrell conceded in court today to defer the choice on the legal fees until September 20th, the date set for a thorough hearing on the matter. Additionally, Baumgartner's lawyer John Rydell urged him to rethink his decision to penalize Baumgartner, arguing that doing so would breach Baumgartner's attorney-client privilege if she gave Costner's lawyers detailed explanations of why she believed the premarital agreement should be revoked. Baumgartner appeared through Zoom from her Range Rover SUV, but neither Costner nor Baumgartner were present in court. Baumgartner was wearing an orange sweater and had her blonde hair pulled up. The latest legal setback for Baumgartner comes only days after Judge Andrell reduced her child support payments from a $129,000 monthly cost to $63,000. The mother of three had requested an increase in her benefits to $161,000 in the past. The 68-year-old actor from Yellowstone and his soon-to-be ex-wife must now appear before the judge later this month to hear his ruling on who will pay for what. Costner contended that Baumgartner's legal fees shouldn't be added to his own, which have already cost him $644,000. The mother of three is trying to amass a war chest to sue Kevin, according to his attorney Laura Wasser, who made the claim during an evidence hearing last week. Baumgartner has asked for $855,000, which she estimates will pay both the money she has already spent and the costs of the couple's prenuptial agreement trial, which will start on November 28. The figure includes $280,000 for expert witnesses and $575,000 for attorney costs, according to a breakdown that was presented in court last week. Last week's evidentiary hearing was scheduled to result in a ruling on attorney costs, but Judge Andrell postponed that decision until today, stating that he needed more time to think it over. He did, however, decide to reduce Baumgartner's temporary monthly payment of $129,000 to only $63,000 as child support. Both Baumgartner and Costner looked stunned by the decision, with the 49-year-old standing up and immediately consulting with her lawyers. A friend told DailyMail.com that the decision had left her shocked. The pal said, "Christine is shocked." She said even Kevin looked shocked. Everyone looked shocked. To say Christine is disappointed is an understatement. She described the ruling as a complete joke. The friend added, Christine said Costner and his legal team, painted the picture of this shallow, greedy gold digger and that if Kevin could get past his anger and revenge, he would see how this is hurting their kids. She said Kevin is ripping her apart from her community by making it impossible to live in the tight-knit neighborhood. Christine said this was never about beach views and Kevin knows this. He knows how much the community means to Christine, and that this is his way of punishing her. Christine said the fight is far from over. Speaking to DailyMail.com, Brett Ward, a partner at New York legal firm Blank Rome and an expert in family law, said a party requesting fees isn't unusual, although the potential size of the award is. He also said judges tend to take a dim view of what they see as excessive requests and generally want to prevent drawn-out cases like the Costner divorce is becoming. He said, there is certainly a legal basis for Baumgartner's request. However, a judge will examine the reasonableness of the fees requested. Judges generally do not want to encourage additional litigation by providing one side with a war chest of future legal fees. Courts generally balance the less wealthy party's right to carry on the litigation in a fair manner against the concern that a party with a significant fee award will take that money and use it to make every possible argument available, no matter the merit or lack thereof for each claim.